Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that could genuinely reshape your financial future. We're talking about the crypto world, but not just. We're going to reveal 7 specific cryptocurrencies that, based on our in-depth research, have the potential for massive growth. Now, before we jump in, a quick but important reminder. This is not financial advice. The crypto market is volatile, and you should always do your own research and invest responsibly. Think of this as a launchpad for your own investigation. Our goal today is to equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. We've spent countless hours analyzing projects, not just for hype, but for real, tangible value. Our selection process is rigorous. We're identifying the potential cornerstones of the next digital era. So, if you're ready to look beyond the headlines and discover what could be the next big players in the blockchain space, stick around. Let's get started. First on our list is a giant you already know, Bitcoin. Now, you might be thinking, Bitcoin, isn't its massive growth phase over? Not by a long shot. Think of Bitcoin not just as a currency, but as digital gold. It's the most decentralized, secure, and battle-tested network in the entire crypto space. Its primary role is a store of value, a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. As institutional investors like major banks and corporations continue to pour in, Bitcoin's scarcity capped at 21 million coins forever becomes its greatest strength. This increasing demand meeting a fixed supply is a classic recipe for long-term value appreciation. The recent approval of Bitcoin ETFs has opened the floodgates for mainstream capital, making it easier than ever for traditional portfolios to gain exposure. Don't underestimate the power of the original. Holding a position in Bitcoin is like owning a piece of the foundational layer of this entire industry. It's the bedrock of any serious crypto portfolio, providing stability and unparalleled security. Next up, we have if Bitcoin is digital gold, then Ethereum is the decentralized world computer. It's the platform on which thousands of other applications are built, from decentralized finance, or DeFi, to NFTs and blockchain gaming. Its smart contract capability is what makes it so revolutionary. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This allows for trustless transactions and automates complex financial processes without intermediaries. Ethereum is currently undergoing a series of massive upgrades, moving towards a more scalable and energy-efficient system. This transition, often called the merge and subsequent updates, is designed to drastically reduce transaction fees and increase processing speed, addressing its biggest historical limitations. As the primary ecosystem for developers, Ethereum has a massive network effect. More developers build on it, which attracts more users, which in turn attracts more developers. It's a powerful, self-reinforcing cycle that solidifies its position as the undisputed king of smart contract platforms. An investment in Ethereum is a bet on the future of a decentralized internet itself. Now let's talk about our third pick, a project that's all about connecting different blockchains. One of the biggest challenges in the blockchain world is that blockchains can't naturally access real-world data. They are closed-off systems. This is where Chainlink comes in. It acts as a secure bridge, or oracle, feeding reliable, off-chain data like stock prices, weather information, or sports results onto the blockchain. This is absolutely critical for smart contracts to have any real-world utility. For example, a decentralized insurance application needs real weather data to automatically pay out a claim for a hurricane. Chainlink provides that data securely. Its decentralized Oracle network ensures that the data is not tampered with, making nearly every major DeFi project relies on Chainlink's oracles to function. As more and more industries, from finance to supply chain management, start using blockchain technology, the need for a reliable data bridge will only explode. Chainlink is the essential plumbing for this interconnected future, making it a fundamentally crucial and potentially hugely valuable piece of the puzzle. Moving on to our fourth selection, we have Solana. Solana's main selling point is its incredible speed and low transaction costs. While Ethereum has historically struggled with high fees and slow confirmation times during peak usage, Solana was built from the ground up to handle a massive volume of transactions. We're talking tens of thousands per second, comparable to major credit card processors like Visa. This high-performance capability makes it an ideal platform for applications that require fast, cheap transactions, such as high-frequency trading, real-time gaming, and everyday micropayments. The ecosystem on Solana has been growing at a blistering pace, attracting a wave of new projects and developers drawn. While it did face some network stability challenges in the past, the development team has been relentlessly working to strengthen the network's resilience. If Solana can maintain its performance edge while ensuring rock-solid stability, it's poised to capture a significant share of the market for consumer-facing decentralized applications. It represents a different technological approach to scalability, and its success would prove there is more than one way to build the future of the web. Our fifth pick is Polygon, formerly known as MATIC. Polygon is not a direct competitor to Ethereum, rather it is a collaborator. It is what known as a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Its primary goal is to help Ethereum scale by processing transactions on a separate, compatible blockchain and then feeding them back to the main Ethereum network. This dramatically reduces the congestion on Ethereum, leading to faster transaction times and incredibly low fees off on just fractions of a cent. Think of it like adding an express highway next to a busy main road. You get the best of both worlds. The speed and low cost of Polygon, combined with the security and decentralization of the main Ethereum network. This has made Polygon a favorite for developers building NFT projects, games, and DeFi applications that need to handle a high volume of interactions without breaking the bank for their users. By enhancing the capabilities of the largest smart contract platform, Polygon has positioned itself as an essential part of the Ethereum ecosystem's long-term success. For our sixth crypto, we're looking at the world. In the current crypto landscape, different blockchains often operate in isolation, like separate islands. Polkadot aims to solve this by creating a network where diverse blockchains, called parachains, can plug in and communicate with each other seamlessly. This creates a multi-chained universe where assets and data can be transferred between different networks. For example, a token from one blockchain could be used in a decentralized application on another. Finally, our seventh and last pick for today is Avalanche. Similar to Solana, Avalanche is another high-performance smart contract platform focused on speed, scalability, and low costs. However, it has a unique architectural feature called subnets. Subnets allow developers to launch their own custom, application-specific blockchains that are tailored to their exact needs. These subnets can have their own rules, their own tokens, and their own fee structures, all while being connected to the broader Avalanche ecosystem. This is incredibly appealing for large enterprises and gaming companies that want the benefits of blockchain technology, but also need a controlled, private environment. Think of it as building your own private, high-speed rail line that is still connected to the national railway system. This flexibility has attracted major partnerships from the worlds of finance and gaming. By offering both a fast public blockchain and the ability to create customized private chains, Avalanche is positioning itself as a versatile platform that can cater to a wide range of use cases, from open DeFi to enterprise-level solutions. So there you have our 7 picks for cryptocurrencies, with the potential to be transformative investments. Bitcoin as digital gold, Ethereum as the world computer, Chainlink as the essential data bridge, Solana as the high-speed transaction layer, Polygon as the key to scaling Ethereum, Polkadot as the unifier of blockchains, and Avalanche as the versatile enterprise-grade platform. Remember, the key to successful investing in this space is diversification and thorough research. Don't just take our word for it. Use this as a starting point. Dig into each project's white paper, check out their developer community, and understand their long-term vision. The crypto world is still young, and the biggest gains will go to those who are patient, disciplined, and well-informed. By spreading your investments across these different sectors of the crypto economy, you're not just betting on one coin, you're investing in the growth of the entire digital asset ecosystem. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future content. Let us know in the comments which of these projects you're most excited about. Stay safe, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next video.